Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a few interesting trades I've made during this week using the methods and strategies from my previous videos. As usual, I'm going to analyze each trade and explain my logic behind it. So let's start.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
The first thing we noticed in this example are the MACD and stochastic that indicate a trend reversal. So let's pinpoint the level of resistance and see which point the market is going towards. The 5-minute time frame shows us a downtrend. The candlestick have already reached this lower level and are going up towards this zone of resistance. Having reached it, the market is about to keep going down, as indicated by this candlestick shadow. Also notice that CCI, we've talked about recently, have been in overbought zone for quite a long time. So based on this analysis, we wait a little and buy a put option that expires in 10 minutes. Our next chart shows us a situation where the market has already reached the lower level of support. The bears then slowed down while the alligator lines are gradually getting rounded. MACD and stochastic also indicate that this is a good entry point. So in this case, we buy a call option for 10 minutes and see what happens. Here we see a perfect double impulse situation on a 3-minute time frame. You can find a video about this pattern on my YouTube channel, but let me give you a quick rewind of what it is and how to work with it. We see a strong impulse down then comes a consolidation and another impulse down to this level. So the pattern indicates that the market should move up towards the level of consolidation. But where is the entry point, right? To find it, we need to locate Fibonacci retracement in a tools panel and pinpoint level 0 to the beginning of the first impulse and level 1 to the end of the same impulse. So the tools line will help us to find our entry point. As you can see, the market has already reached level 1.6, so we can be sure to buy a call option that expires in 10 minutes. And we haven't yet spoken about these yellow lines here. This is the zigzag indicator, but don't get scared. There's gonna be a video about it very soon. It's a great tool when trying to pinpoint levels of support and resistance, especially when it comes to volatile markets where there may be a lot of different levels and you need to understand which ones are important. So here we make use of the double impulse pattern again. The market has already begun moving up towards the level of consolidation, and it's the zigzag that's gonna approximately shows us where the market is gonna be heading. Here again we buy a call option that expires in 10 minutes and see what happens. So that's pretty much it for today. A quick reminder, all my announcements and the analysis of my trading activity and also my trading signals can be found on my Telegram channel, so consider subscribing. I hope this video was useful for you. See you soon, stay safe and be in touch.